Someone is planning to travel. Hey, that's great news. Welcome to NG Space. My name is Ngozi and you are welcome to my very space. So today's video is about what I heard. Is this true? I'm so excited though. Nigerian government now allows Nigerians living abroad to travel to Nigeria with expired passport. Yay! That's great news, but to me, I think that came a little bit too late. Why do I say that? A number of people would have loved to travel to Nigeria this Christmas, but because of the attachment to renewing your passport, that kind of dragged people backwards. Yes, it's great news that Nigerians all over the world can now travel with an expired passport. But the main issue there is, how do we fix the problem or the process of applying or renewing our Nigerian passport? I think, to me, that should be the main focus of the Nigerian government, rather than asking people to travel with their expired passport. Definitely, one of these days, you will need your valid passport to do one or two things here or wherever country that you are based in. So this idea of traveling with an expired passport is to be a new development. But the question is, how long will this policy last? Is it because there is lots of backlog, or is something permanent? The government need to tell us. So why am I saying this? I'm happy on one side, it's a great news, but on the other hand, I think Nigerian government should try as much as possible to make renewing of Nigerian passport, whether here in the UK or outside of the UK, easy peasy for people, and also for people not to waste so much money in renewing their passport. What the government should be looking at really is having a mini office somewhere around some major cities. You can go submit all your documents, they all checked, and they will now take it over to London and process it, bring it back to same office. So this is what other countries do and they've been doing. So why can't Nigeria do it? So this is gonna be the end of today's video. If you set up to this point, thank you. Also, if you've experienced issues of renewing your Nigerian passport, whether here in the UK or outside of the UK, I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Don't forget again to like the video, share the video, and do leave me a beautiful comment. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. At this point, I will say thank you and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.